So we're in Cefn Llan, Llangamach Wells, one of the demo farms, and one of the things that we're interested in looking at here is seeing if we can establish grass in a more environmentally and a cheaper manner. So we're standing on an area of ground that's been fully reseeded. Behind me, over my left shoulder, are a number of areas that have been sprayed off with glyphosate and direct drilled with 3 different types of machine, and over my right hand shoulder there will be areas that have had the same machines across them but they are unsprayed. This morning, the same as we did last autumn after its establishment, we've been taking soil plugs of 10 centimetre diameter soil plugs where we can count the ryegrass and other species that we put in to establish the success rate of the different methods of adding new seed. We'll also be able to identify weed ingress, the number of seedlings that have germinated that perhaps were less desirable to our needs, the state or the quality of the sward just through a management system might have improved it as it was. We've also done soil analysis to see where we're short on other nutrients, and maybe that would have been a correction factor to think of. It's been grazed with sheep this spring. It's had a number of young cattle across it as well, and it's now just to be closed out for silage. There are cages, exclusion cages across the field as well. So what we've been doing with them is just identifying what the growth rate has been, and we all know how bad a season it's been this spring. But we've just recorded what's growing under the cages with a plate meter, and we're averaging between 5 and 6,500 kilos of dry matter per hectare, so effectively a silage cut. Once the silage is taken, we'll put the cages back out and we'll start measuring more seriously as to what the growth rate and performance of each of these treatments are. So by the time we've finished, we'll have built up quite a picture of a number of issues, and hopefully we'll be able to come out with some good advice as to the best method for the future.